Welcome. Follow me is a HUAWEI MatePad T10, and today I'll show you how to enable the download mode. And to get started, we'll need to hold power key. Once it actually appears, there we go. Select power off. And once the device is off, all you need to do now is hold power key and volume up, both of them at the same time. Now soon after you should see the HUAWEI logo. There we go, you want to keep holding the keys. And there we go. So we are now in the recovery mode. So from here, all you need to do is simply tap on the update mode, which is second last option. And then you have a couple different options to update. So this is going to be the download mode right here. So you can go to either USB update mode. Now even though it was a USB and it's not even plugged in, as you can see, it's going to try to do something. I believe it's going to be stuck for the majority of the time on 5%, and then it's just kind of going to reboot after that. So let's just wait and see what happens here. So as you can see, the device is now rebooting after doing not sure what. And yeah, that is basically how you get into the download mode. So give it a couple more seconds and we should be straight in the Android lock screen. There we go. So if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.